Welcome back to the channel, guys. Here we are with the Audi A3. We're gonna be doing a fuel pump change on it because it's still misfiring, as you guys probably know already. I did change out the coil packs, the spark plugs, and that still hasn't fixed the problem. I did fix as well the PCV system, which is for the oil catch can right here, as you guys can tell. I changed that out. That didn't fix the problem. So now we're gonna be moving on to the whole fuel pump, because I did get like a code for it for the OBD11. It gave me a fuel pump problem, which is right over here. Here's the OEM fuel pump from the dealer. I just got it yesterday. I need to get this in the car to hopefully fix my problem. And we're gonna probably be doing a part 2 for this, which is AMSOIL. No, it's not sponsored by AMSOIL. I'm just saying this, you know, this is what I'm gonna be putting on the car. And here we are, guys, in the back of the freaking car. Fucking too top for this shit, by the way. So we have to, as far as I know, we gotta pull these clips right here. Just put your finger right under this, so right that. Pull them out. Same way on this side. If you guys are wondering what I'm doing back here, it's actually the fuel pump's right under the seat right here. You know, pull this right here, like that, and we gotta fucking mess with this. There we go. Damn, a bad motherfucker.
Imagine if they knew that you were talking by yourself.
Alright, guys, so the fuel pump is actually, this car is dirty, bro. What the fuck? Fuel pump's right here, guys. I don't know if you guys can see from way over there, but yeah. To be honest, there we go. Oh, it has clips. Here's how you know I never. Oh, damn, fucking dusty as shit. This is like actual fucking dirt, guys. Alright. So, let me flip my hat around. Yeah, I need to fucking probably vacuum this up, actually, to be honest. Or blow on it or something. Alright, guys, so I vacuumed the area here already. And there's a actual red tab right here. You guys should have to pull on this like this in order for it to pop off. Anyways, my friend with the big muscles over there helped me out. Alright. Now what the fuck is here?
A plug?
No, that's a fucking gas hose, but the only problem here, I don't know how to take that off at all. No idea, amigo. So this is the clip that was in there. I mean, I don't know if you guys can tell, but it snapped. Fucking Anthony's too buff for this shit.
I'm sorry!
Anyways, this fucking clip, it literally goes, the hose is like this, right? In this direction as you guys are looking, it just clips on like that. You have to pull it out and, you know, unlocks it and you can pull out the hose.
Let's start pouring out gas.
Oh, that's all I poured now?
Well, I already poured it all over the damn place. This is what's left over. Shit.
Nothing, huh?
You want some coffee?
Let me see that shit.
AM PM shit.
Alright, so now we're gonna, we have to unlock that ring, dude.
Yeah, you gotta pull that shit out.
Show them the ring. You know what I'm talking about, the ring that goes around the fuel pump?
Right here?
Lock?
It's on this side.
No, the actual metal ring.
Where?
To pull out the fuel pump.
Oh.
Yeah, that one right there. So we're gonna literally use like a flathead and hit it on. Right here, look. Hit onto this. Like somewhere we can get a good, maybe right there. And then basically unlock it.
We'll hit it with the hammer, huh?
Yeah, with this one. But we'll be back when we have that off. Ah, fuck. This is not a good spot.
We lift it up, no?
Well, that's the point, I guess.
Yeah, I'm
Now
a bad motherfucker.
Nah.
I'm a bad motherfucker. Hey, you got a full gas tank, dude.
What the
I'm just playing.
Oh, I said, what the fuck? I know I didn't put a lot of gas in this bitch. Don't worry about that. See, I gotta put a new one. Oh, that's a lot of gas in that shit, bro. Oh, we gotta put another fucking lock. Alright, let me get this one, since you're too buff. But there's a bunch of gas in here, fool.
It's just on the top part.
I know.
I gotta get this bitch out.
Okay, there. I gotta take this lock right here off. Hopefully I don't break it this time. Bro. Bro, what?
You gotta get some
Alright,
skinnier
wait.
ones.
Wait. No, that's not working. That's not working. Oh my god, dude.
I don't know, but I'm getting high right now.
Oh, I'm getting fucking really high.
Is there two?
Pull on this nipple, dude.
Who is it?
Pull on this hose.
Don't tell me that, because I'm high right now, so I can probably see a nipple.
Oh, don't fucking spill the gas. No, no, don't fucking do it. Oh, it's fucking dripping all over.
That's what she said.
I told you it was a push button. Look, you gotta push on it.
I told you,
Now
dude.
pull out the clip, dick. Alright, guys, so reverse that. You actually have to push on this fucking clip. Oh, shit, still pulling gas. Never mind, hold on. I'm peeing right now. Give me a second.
You didn't tell me shit. You just told me to pull it out.
That's what she said.
Sometimes.
Fuck, this shit's still peeing?
I think it was gonna empty this shit out.
Well, we don't want it to empty out.
Well, that's like $1 of gas right there, dude.
Well, we do want to empty out, but not at this moment. Fuck, man, it's fucking hot, dude.
That shit is getting hot as fuck.
Why the hell is this shit still have gas? I only put like fucking 3 gallons, dude.
Dude, this is a small ass nipple.
You should stop putting more. That's why you're changing fuel pumps every year.
If you buy it, it's final. You're fucked when you stay with it.
Your car?
Wait, does mine have this little thing, bro?
Yeah. Oh, that was the thing that was hard to pulling it out.
Alright, guys, so. Why does this one look all weird?
That's how that one looked too.
Oh, it's the same way?
Yeah.
I didn't even pay attention, dude.
That's
Well, this is a brand new, beautiful pump that's gonna not fix any of the problems in my car's having. Maybe it will. Who knows? I mean, the OBD11 saying this is the problem, but you know how those shits go.
Put it in, bro.
That's what I'm doing, man. Please don't fall.
I'll call Jeremy.
Pop this nipple. Damn, look at that. Look how beautiful that was, dude. By the way, if you guys wondering why this fuel pump is being swapped out,
Because it fucked it up.
because for the past 3 years since I owned this vehicle, I run it on fumes. Every time it goes empty till I have to go put gas. That's why I got fucked up, and maybe because I put a little bit of E85 for about 2 months since I got the stage 2 tune. It's in there, that's for sure.
Point here is don't listen to say anybody else and push it so it can come out.
You guys actually have to push on it, and then this will come out slowly.
That's what I was trying to tell you, but you
And
didn't
Anthony, as always, you know, he's trying to be fucking all muscular with this.
listen.
Let's put this back on there, please. So. Boom.
What's all this shit for?
Oh, I gotta put that. Oh, what the fuck, dude? Take it off.
What?
How are we supposed to?
Ben.
Wow. Fuck
That's
him
not
out.
your fault.
All right, let's take off the hose again. You gotta push on it, dude. Remember?
I'm glad you didn't say you're a mop motherfucker because
Go ahead.
Cut the video because we're gonna have to do this shit all over again.
Is it in?
You just have to push down real hard on this shit. There it goes.
All right. So we're gonna put this lock metal ring thingy. I'm guessing it goes. Where did I see the 77 at? Where? Oh, let's look for the spot where I hit it at. That's all we know. Oh, right here. Right here. Yeah. Oh, this is gonna be a bitch. Oh, I got it. There we go. Right?
You're a bad motherfucker.
I'm a bad motherfucker, dude. Let me see. Wait.
Now you gotta hit it this way.
Oh, yeah, you're right.
Okay.
That's all, dude. We just locked that shit in. Now we can connect everything. Damn it.
Break it, okay. So there you go, trying to be all muscular like me.
No, this side's
Fuck
not
it
going.
up.
This side's not
My turn.
I think it's in. And the reason why I believe is a fuel pump in the tank, because every time this car runs on low maybe a quarter of a tank of gas, the car starts like idling real weird. So that's how I know that the fuel pump's probably not doing the job anymore, or it's basically messed up already. And let's hope that the misfires get fixed. By the way, we're gonna continue this video. I'm gonna be driving the car. I'm gonna put it on the OBD11 on live data to see if the car is having any more misfiring issues. And yeah, let's go ahead and wrap all this up here. Catch you guys when I'm in the car driving around. All right, guys, so we're gonna go ahead and start the car, see if it starts, and yeah. But one thing I did do, I did start like the power in the car, didn't turn the car on, just to have the fuel pump prime. Maybe suck some fuel in there. Other than that, I mean, that's all I know. I didn't see anything else about having to do a procedure to the fuel pump. But yeah, we're gonna start the car, see if it starts, and see what happens. Okay, so this is actually what I use, the OBD11. This allows me to see if a car's having misfires or whatever. But I'm gonna show you guys what's going on right now. Go ahead and put it down here. There we go. Now we're gonna go to the app, OBD11, and we're gonna connect. There it is. So you press the little thing right here. Sorry, my phone's dying, guys. Right here, you go to your engine. You go to live data, right there. You guys are gonna type in misfire. So you're gonna push that one right there. Go down a little bit. Go to 1, 2, 3, and 4. And status recognition. Okay, and you're gonna press OK. And this is what the car's power is on, by the way. Now we're gonna go ahead and once it loads in right here. Oh, check the misfires that it had before. 10, 17, 11, and 2. That's just driving. That's all the cylinders. Now we're gonna start the car. See what happens. Let's go ahead. It's gonna probably reset right now, anyways. And so far, car is good. By the way, it only misfires when the car is actually driving, not when it's idling. At least most times it doesn't do it like that. We're gonna go ahead and I'll scare Anthony in the back.
Nah, it's fucked up, bro.
Where's he at? What happened, bro? What? Damn! What? Did it shoot flames?
Yeah.
Fuck you, asshole. I know I didn't. Alright, guys, we're gonna go ahead and drive and see what happens now. Hopefully it fixes the problem because this is getting annoying, guys. Alright, we got a misfire. We got 1 and 2, which is cylinder 4 and cylinder 3 had a misfire. Another thing, guys, so as I mentioned in the beginning of the video, I changed out the coil packs, spark plugs. I changed out the PCV oil separator, which the racing line oil cash can actually changes the whole system out, which is the it gives you the oil cash can, it gives you the PCV oil separator system, it gives you all that stuff. All that got switched out already, and the misfires are still there. Coil pack, spark plugs, and fuel pump have been changed out, and the PCV system has been changed out, and I've added an oil cash can. Anyways, the next thing to figuring out what's going on with the misfires is actually checking out the injectors or having carbon buildup. That may be the next thing that I have to check out. Make sure to follow me on IG, because that's where I post all my pictures. I post everything whenever I'm posting new videos for the car. And hope this video was helpful, guys. Hopefully somebody's looking how to change the fuel pump. And yeah, see you guys next time.